Are you tired of the daily grind? Dreaming of a way to make money while you sleep? Well, today we're here to unveil the ultimate guide to passive income. We'll show you how to harness the power of automation and turn it into a cash-generating machine. So, let's dive right in. First, let's talk about affiliate marketing. By partnering with companies and promoting their products, you can earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. Whether it's through your blog, social media, or YouTube channel, affiliate marketing can bring in a steady stream of income, even while you snooze. Next up, rental properties. Owning a rental property allows you to earn passive income month after month. With proper management, your tenants pay the mortgage, and you reap the rewards. So, why not leverage the power of property to make money while in dreamland? Another fantastic option is dividend stocks. By investing in well-established companies, you become a shareholder entitled to a portion of their profits. It's like having a small piece of a big pie. While you catch some Z's, these stocks can generate income through regular dividend payments. Have you ever considered creating an online course? With your expertise, you can package your knowledge and sell it to eager learners. Once you've created the course, it can be automated, allowing you to make money around the clock. Lastly, let's not forget about high-yield savings accounts or certificates of deposit. While they may not make you a millionaire overnight, they offer a safe and steady way to generate passive income. Money working for you, even while you're catching up on those well-deserved Z's. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to passive income. By combining these strategies, you can finally achieve financial freedom and make money while sleeping. So, what are you waiting for? Start taking steps towards a brighter, more profitable future today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fantastic tips and tricks.